Hello friends and my dear students. Today we'll discuss DML commands as we have already discussed insert and select statements, and the rest commands DML commands are delete and update, which we are going to discuss today. So when we discuss about delete, so there are uh, two words, drop and delete. A student must understand the difference between drop and delete. Basically, drop is the DDL command and delete is the DML command. So drop command is basically deals with DDL, means the structure of the table, the structure of the database, whereas delete deals with the records of the table, means content of the table. So here we are going to deal with DMLs, means data manipulation language. So all these two commands will deal with the content of the table. Okay. So here first we discuss delete. So delete statement is basically used to delete the tuples or the records of the table. It does not delete the structure of the table. It deletes only the records or tuples of the table. So this is a statement how we can use this statement in MySQL. So directly you can use delete from table. So see here, there is no attribute name here, delete attribute. There is no attribute at all. So it means it will include all the columns or all the attributes and delete all the attributes from the table. So deletes all the records of the table. It means that. The next statement, if you want to apply the condition, then you can use delete from table name where condition, means where is used as we have used in select statement. So condition, the way of applying the condition we have already done in select statement, and the same way we can apply the conditions in delete statement as well. So here the records of the table will be deleted where the condition is satisfied. So it deletes all the records satisfying the given condition from the table. And the next statement is update. So update does not mean alter. Alter, which is the DDL command, but update is the DML command. So student must note this. Update is DML command and it applies only on the records of the table, not on the structure of the table. So update command will update the records of the table. How to update the command, how to update the records of table, what is the syntax of the update, which we learn from the next statement. So basically this command is used to update the content of the column, of the rows or the records. How to use it? So update table, then set attribute 1 is equal to expression, means you are going to modify the records of this table, and which column? This column should be modified with this. So assign this expression to this field or the column. Likewise, this no restriction of using only one column or multiple columns. The student can use single column or they can use multiple column as well. So it depends. If you have multiple columns to update, you should use multiple columns separated by comma, like column 1 is equal to expression, comma, column 2 is equal to expression, comma, column 3 is equal to expression, like this. And you must notice here, you must note this here also, because there is no condition, this will be applied on the entire table. Means if attribute 1, attribute 2 and the expressions are given and you apply this command update table and set attributes with the values, the entire table will be affected, and column, whichever column is given, its values will be changed or modified. But if you want to modify certain criteria in the table, you can apply the condition also. This updates the content of the attribute with expression 1 of all the rows of the table, and if you want to apply the condition, you can apply the condition as well. So update table set attribute 1 with the expression, and here I have included where clause, which is optional, but if you want to apply the condition, then you should include where clause here. What does it do? Updates the content of that attribute with expression, or modify the content of attribute 1 with expression of all the rows of the table satisfying the given condition. So we are going to practice on it. So let's move to MySQL. Now we are moving to MySQL here. So MySQL is ready. First of all, you should use info 12th. My database is opened. Show tables. How many tables are here? These are tables, and we are going to delete the record first. So I'm going to use, first we should use select asterisk from admission and here. So there are these 5 records, and if you want to delete any particular record, so I'm going to delete the last record. So how to delete it? If you delete from admission, this will delete all the records. Delete from admission, because there is no condition that you want to delete only one record or two records. So if you have applied straight away delete from admission, in this case all the records of the table will be deleted. Okay, now you want to delete a particular record from the table. So since this table is empty, so I'm going to create it again, or insert I'm going to insert these records again. Control V. So select here, select asterisk from admission. So again table is here. Now I'm going to delete the particular record, a single record. So I want to delete 1006. So delete from admission. Now apply where admission number is equal to 1006. No, actually students forget the thing when they are going to apply the condition. Normally they forget putting the quotes if the condition is having the quotes. So I'm going to delete Neha Sharma. So Neha Sharma should be in the quotes. Neha Sharma, like this. And if you want that admission number should be deleted or should be included in condition, then you must include admission number 1006. But this time, since I am taking not the admission number, I am taking name, so I'll have to mention name here. So the corresponding column and respective data should be used in the condition. And when I say semicolon, the record is deleted. Select asterisk from admission. So see here 1006, our Neha Sharma record is deleted. Now we are going to update, you know, modify the records. What what do I want? I want that the address of computer faculty or the address should be changed. I'll do update address, sorry, add update table name first. So admission set address is equal to Agra. So when I apply this command, what happens? You will notice this. All the records and column address of all the records will be modified, and the value will be, or the content will be, Agra only. See here, select access from admission, so see here address is changed. Now I want to change address again. Update admission set address is equal to computer faculty. Now this time I am going to apply the condition where admission number is equal to 1001. Since this is number, so you don't have to use quotes, and if it were Raman, you must include quotes with name, semicolon, select access from admission, like this. Now in this case, Nita Kumari 1005, I want to change the admission number as well as the address. So update, I'm taking update admission set, modifying two columns this time. Admission is equal to 1004 where comma address is equal to physics lab where admission number is equal to 105, because 1005 exists still. Now after this execution, admission number will be changed and address will also be changed. See here, select access from admission, semicolon. See here, admission number is changed. It was 105, and this time this is 104, and address was Agra. Now this time this is physics lab. So this way we can use DML commands like delete and update. So hope you understand the concept of delete and update, and these two commands are DML commands. And if you have any query, kindly drop in comment, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe it, share it, like it. And the request is you please share it with your students or the friends. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.